Labeling your lumber parts will help you to keep track of all the cut lumber as you go about building your Murphy bed. Use painting tape and a marker and simply label all the parts according to the diagram in section 2 of the construction guide. It is also a good idea to use painting tape to mark which sides you will be applying edge banding to, especially the face panels part I, the cabinet sides part F, as well as the side rails part D. Labeling which side is the top, left, or right will assist you with the orientation of the cut lumber before you start applying edge banding. We also recommend you label which side is the inner and outer side. This will avoid making mistakes when mounting the hardware components to the bed wooden parts. Remember, it is a good idea to examine the wood, especially when using plywood. Choose the best side to be the outer side of your wall bed.
Why not download your free copy of our step-by-step Murphy bed construction guide by clicking on the link below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like these.